Die Gaeilge. Volche go Minecraft as Gaeilge. Really quickly, it's been a long time. I've been busy. I'll get into that in future episodes. Good news is I got Rosetta Stone figured out, so I can start learning again. I just wanted to pop on really quickly. Today is July 4th, and in Iverica, in America, it's our Independence Day. Law something. I should have looked that up before I opened my mouth. Oh well. I did a short video last year, in which I introduced Rua, Agus, Agus, Gorm. And I was going to show off fireworks. I believe I did. I don't remember. But, it's funny. I remembered I had done that. And today I remembered I had done that. And I was like, wait a minute. Have I really been trying to do this for a year and failing miserably? And the answer is yes. The good news is I stepped up my firework game. So let's see how this goes. So as the sun... as the green sets here, we can actually see some hopefully cool fireworks. I was playing around with fireworks again, and it seems like that, yeah, occasionally you do get a dud, which is kind of funny and kind of not. But you do get, I believe the formula must have changed, because I get like 3 fireworks now. A lot in Minecraft has changed. As I haven't been playing as much, it's funny to see things like, because I don't keep an eye on the news anymore, for the Minecraft news, I should say, and things change, and I'm like, huh? Was that always like that? Anyway, I've been doing some things in the world. Maybe I shouldn't turn around and show you all the uncompleted things. Yeah. So, yeah, just another video just to celebrate Independence Day. It's a special day here in Iverica. So, I didn't know what I was gonna say. I'm terrible at this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, Gaeilge. Cool. So I'll let the green set a little bit more. I don't really have a lot of new Gaelic Neil Gaeilge Nua for you guys. So we'll just sit here quietly. Very quietly. I don't know if it's the resolution, but the stars almost look like they twinkle a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, or if you see that on your own copies of Minecraft. And it looks like it kind of just like some of the stars go from diamond shape to square shape. And we're almost to night. There it is. Nacht. Night. Ooh. Look at the... There's the moon over there. So I'm over on the east coast of America. And it's 8:30ish now. I have work tomorrow, which is unfortunate. So I'm just kind of quickly doing this, and fireworks are going to be going off all night, and I get to wake up early. So, it is now night. It is now Nacht in Minecraft, so let's get this fireworks show started. Ooh. Go Holland. Look at that. I like the... Okay. They're not as random as I thought they would be. I was hoping they'd be a little bit more interspersed with the red and the white. Oh, there was a dud. Did you see it? I thought they'd be a little bit more interspersed with the red, white, and blue, but I had some of the mixture in there. Only 2 of them. I probably should have done more of that. Oh well, live and learn. Alright guys, that is it. Slán.